Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 10th of science of class 7th, that is respiration in organisms. Topics to be covered in this chapter are why do we respire, respiration, types of respiration, breathing, how do we breathe, what do we breathe out, breathing in other animals, breathing underwater, and do plants also respire? Firstly, we will discuss that why do we respire. Students, in chapter 2, you have learnt that all organisms are made of small microscopic units called cells. A cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of an organism. Each cell of an organism performs certain functions such as nutrition, transport, excretion, and reproduction. To perform these functions, the cell needs energy. Even when we are eating, sleeping, or reading, we require energy. But where does this energy come from? Can you say why your parents insist that you should eat regularly? The food has stored energy, which is released during respiration. Therefore, all living organisms respire to get energy from food. Respiration. During breathing, we breathe in air. Air contains oxygen. You already know that we breathe out air which is rich in carbon dioxide. The air we breathe in is transported to all parts of the body and ultimately to each cell. In the cells, oxygen in the air helps in the breakdown of food. The process of breakdown of food in the cell with the release of energy is called cellular respiration. Cellular respiration takes place in the cells of all organisms. There are two types of respiration: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. In the cell, the food is broken down into carbon dioxide and water using oxygen. When breakdown of glucose occurs with the use of oxygen, it is called aerobic respiration. And food can also be broken down without using oxygen. This is called anaerobic respiration. So we can say that aerobic respiration in the presence of oxygen is termed as aerobic respiration. During aerobic respiration, glucose is oxidized to carbon dioxide and water, and glucose plus oxygen give product as carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. During anaerobic respiration, glucose is converted into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Students, there are some organisms such as yeast that can survive in the absence of air. They are called anaerobases. Yeast are single-celled organisms. They respire anaerobically and during this process yield alcohol. They are therefore used to make wine and beer. Anaerobic respiration takes place in muscles during physical activity such as running, exercising, etc., but only for a short time when there is temporary deficiency of oxygen. During such anaerobic respiration, glucose is converted to lactic acid and energy is given out. Accumulation of lactic acid in muscles causes cramps in muscles. Hot water bath or massage gives relief from cramps. This is because hot water bath or massage improves blood circulation. As a result, supply of oxygen to the muscles improves. This increased oxygen supply causes the breakdown of lactic acid into carbon dioxide and water. Students, this is the end of today's session. We will continue this chapter in next video. Thank you.